Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this temple spokes tuna in Fish It. So this unique tuna variant is one of the legendary tire fish in Fish It, especially in the Secret Temple. And here I'm going to show you the exact location and also the bait and rod combo to get this legendary fish. So here I'm already inside the Secret Temple, and if you want to catch this tuna, you can just go to where I got it here. You can follow this like this, I don't know, signs in here, and I fish in front of this. You can just use your best rod. Like me, I'm using element rod and singularity bait. If you have one, you can also use your luck totem or maybe luck potion. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.